Namaste everyone. So in this video I'll show you how we have planned the electrical work before the plastering. So this is the hall what you are seeing. So here as soon as we enter, so always right side door will open. So it is ideal to have the switchboard to the right side. This is one important point. And then DP box should be there beside the door. See here, you can there is a point which came from the molding, and there is a bend. Two bends are installed here. UPS and also TV connection is there. So if you would have planned this placement here, directly from there he can take and joint it. So two bends and that extra pipe whatever is used can be avoided. Another point where here he has planned well and directly it came. Then here aqua guard point and that is another fridge point we have kept. So every house is very independent in this activity. So you need to plan this and then identify the points where to leave in the molding. So then after that you need to make sure all these points are up to the standards heights from flooring. All switches should be in a particular height, and this is the mirror light. Okay, here mirror will come, and then after that below that sink will be there. This is for the washing machine, so we are planning to keep the washing machine there, and then this will be the controls for the bathroom, like light point and geyser point and all that. So if you go inside the bathroom, what happens is, so this will be the one of the light point, this will be the one, and the next one will be in the ceiling. So these two switches will come in this box. Then after that this will be the geyser point. Okay, switch should be here and the socket will be that side. And when you are planning any geyser placement, for you will get a doubt to which side, which wall you should put the geyser point. So always see, for example, this is 4/6 bathroom. Okay, if it is a 4/6 bathroom, then what happens is, so here the extra portion came in the wall, right? So this side tap will come here, mixer or tap will come here, this side only it will come, because so as soon as you enter, right side you will push the door, and so right side door will open and he will close the door as soon as he enters. Then this side, if we keep the taps, what happens, it will be an obstacle for the person. That's why people will not prefer to keep the taps this side. Instead of that, this side people will keep. And also this extra portion in 4/6 bathroom, 2.5 feet door will come, then remaining portion will be with a cement wall will come. So this side taps will come. So in the same side geyser point should be there. So this is important step. Don't forget whenever you are making a chipping for the electrical work. So then this bedroom. Okay, so in this bedroom what you need to observe is, for example, people will keep installing ACs, right? So when they are installing the AC, so I'm planning to keep the AC this side. Okay, so this side I'm planning to make a wardrobe. So if I'm making a wardrobe, I should leave 2 feet and then put a AC point. So people can keep this point here also and this side also. So what happens, if they keep this side, it will go inside the wardrobe. That's why we should avoid that. So we have kept exactly after 2 feet, we have kept it over there. And here, in case if they are installing AC, AC point should be um, near the bathroom or where a bed is not there. See, for example, we are planning to keep the bed in this corner. In this corner we should not keep the AC point, because what happens is, in case if there is a leakage, okay, all the water will fall on the bed. To avoid that one, you should have AC opposite to the bed. So that's why, so this side bed will come and opposite side we have kept it the AC point. So AC, in case if it comes, it will come here. So in between that requires a 3 feet gap. That's why I think that will be sufficient, 3 feet gap. Then after that they can install it in this empty space once it is plastered. So these are some of the points, and the two-way switches also you need to maintain it here in this bedroom. So we don't need it because bed will be this side, that's why we avoid that. So that is one important point which you need to keep in mind. In the same way, we'll go to another bathroom and bedroom and we'll see how the electrical points are given. So here this will be the different case. See, you can see here. So this is my left hand side, but door is on the left hand side. Most of the times it will be on the right hand side, but here we don't have that option. Okay, so that's why we have given door left hand side only. Then immediately after that we have given the switch, because we don't have a provision this side to keep the switch box. So otherwise we may need to grow a lot, and that's why we have compromised here and given the box. Okay, so and also if you can see here, there is a drop. This is for the light point, and then below that all the switches and control will come, like fan, tube light and all that. Okay, so here one more box is provided, and that will be the AC point. That's again beside on the to the wall, bathroom wall. That's how we planned, and that to 2 feet after leaving the 2 feet space. Okay, so this one entire space will be used for the wardrobe, and then this corner we are planning to keep the bed. And one more bathroom model which I would like to show you, how you need to plan for the geyser point. So here, as soon as I enter, I'll open the door to the right side, and then geyser and tap connections will come to the opposite, because so if it is coming to this particular wall, it will be inconvenient and also it's short of space. That's why as soon as the person enters, he can this will be the place where he will go and use the taps. That's why for this wall only, that geyser point will come. So this is all about electrical points, which maybe there might be opportunities. Please let me know in the comments so that others also can learn from your experience.